Hi, Severin here from Conversion Theme. In this video, I want to show you how to add a custom page to your Shopify store. So without further ado, let's go to the video. It's pretty easy. You just have to go to your Shopify store, to your theme you're using. So what you do is you go up to the top, click here, and here you can switch between products, collections, and pages. Click on pages, and then here's the pages created. And here you can create a template. I already created a test page. Just click here, create template, give it a name, and click create template. And now here is the test page. You can see on this test page, I created another section, just a test section, heading and some questions. And the default page you see looks like this one. That's the default landing page for this conversion theme. You see here's just an opt-in for a newsletter. And what you want to do is if you created a test page or a custom page, you want to go to pages, and then to the page itself. And here you can switch between templates. Here's the default page. Then you can switch between default page and here my test page. The default page is the one I showed you already, default page. Here the newsletter opt-in, and here's the test page with the test template. And it looks like this, like in the backend. So yeah, as you saw, it's pretty easy. If this video has helped you, I would appreciate a like and a channel subscription. Your support means a lot to me. And if you want to get the best conversion optimized Shopify theme, go to conversiontheme.com. Right now we have a 14-day free trial period, so you can test it absolutely for free. And yeah, go to conversiontheme.com and see you in the next video.